What is up, everybody? Just real quick update. I'm not going to be working this week. I tried. I have my live stream stuff set up, kind of ready to go. Long story short, my dog Stella, if you're part of the Discord, right there, you'll know that I consistently take her out for a walk every day, morning and afternoon, and a lot of it has to do with my own mental health. And recently, she's been kind of feeling under the weather, and uh, Monday morning at 3 a.m. just diarrhea everywhere, bloody, throwing up. Just based off my medical knowledge, knowing that she's going to need IV fluids with that amount of diarrhea she had, took her to the vet, took her to the hospital. Actually, just skipped the vet, took her straight to the hospital. Hemorrhagic gastroenteritis, very deadly for dogs. Within 24 hours, they'll die. It comes on suddenly, no known real cause, all these different things. I'm trying to wrap my head around cause and effect, and it's just, I can't function. So if I can't even function with cause and effect and trying to figure out and be who I am, because I can't right now, I can't do that for a class. So I'll be taking this week off. I want to jump on. I want to continue. I want to do it, but I know I cannot, and I just need to take some time. So there's not gonna be any streams this week, and Friday's video is probably not gonna happen. Saturday's video is not gonna happen. We'll see how it is, and I might come back for next Monday. The video you saw yesterday was already pre-recorded. It was already done. But I'm gonna know this week what's gonna happen. So either I'm gonna be at home taking care of a very sick dog, or I got other things I gotta think about. So with that said, hope you guys have a great week, and I'll be seeing you around.